Okay, so I need you guys a little bit bigger space between each one, a little bit bigger. Okay, right? That's how you're learning martial arts. You're quick, you're smart. Okay, good. Okay, today we're gonna start 5 stunt form. In Wushu, we have mainly 5 stances. So what is the stance? The 5 stunts. Jojo. What is that called? Empty stance. That right? That's one of the stunts. Arvin. First stance. Can you show me? All right. That's the first stance. Come on, Arvin. Both stance. That's right. Drop stance. That's right. Look like we have one more left. You guys all be right? One more. Let's see. Okay, Austin. Yeah, you can call resting stance. So that's the 5 stance, basic form. So let's start to do this without too much. But now, today we're gonna learning and training 5 stance form. So Nathan, you'll be my model today, right? Okay, are you up? So facing to this way, attention. Yes, Nathan. Back straight, chin up. Okay, the first move, go right. Yeah, put your hand on your waist and high stack to that way. High stack, let's do one more time. Ready. Okay, great. High stack to your right and become blocking. That's first stance. Right. Your hand go this way, slightly to block. Now, you're going to punch your right on both sides and punch. Okay, you got your knee straight, back straight. So my riding down, right? Your toe and more 45, stay strong, back straight, like that. Great. Next move, you're gonna punch your left and take your right. Go, hut, and top. Right, cut, first stance. Arm straight, palm finger together, block punch, block level. Great, great, very nice. So I want to step by step, a little slow, okay? Everybody, hold there, or no? And you stand up, and you stack your left foot, your right arm, and go up and block. Like this. This is a blocking move. Now one more time. Go. Stand up and blocking. Yep, Matthew, can you lead in other side too? So that way you can see both sides. Good. And now you're gonna twist and cross your leg and touch your leg slow down. Right. You say it cannot be too big or too small with your stance. That is correct, like resting stance, right? So now slowly twist your toe, face to the mirror, and go knee lift, and go high again, and you're gonna touch by your right arm. You see? Knee lift, right, toe point. That's beautiful, strong. Good. And go down with drop stance. Your arm 45 straight line, and with a big stance. Go low as possible, called drop stance. Okay, transfer your left arm, go all the way both stance, and transfer to empty stance, like high stance. Your behind arm become her hand like this, and your palm like this. Perfect. And finish. Hands down, and down. Okay, great job. Okay, jumping jack 25. Go. Okay. So now we got a little separate just for your stance training, right? So my model. Okay, facing to the mirror. Attention. Everybody, I'm ready. Put a hand on the waist. A big step. Go double punch. Go low. Make sure you stand and block. And you both knee go outside and come back. You punch 1, right. And 2, and 3, and 4. Block. Go 1, 2, cross. And come back. Stop. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. Go 1, 2, come back. Double punch. Strong. Come back. Up. Go down. And twist. And stand up. Great work. Now we do exactly the same. You gotta do both sides, right? Go both sides this side. Right? Go same thing. Go punch 1 and 2. And now a little lower. 3 and 3. Ha! Nice. Punch 1, 2. Right. Your knee straight. A little smaller. A little smaller. And go. And continue. Go. Right. Cross 1, 2. And double hand. And go double 1 and 2. Go up. And a little bit lower. And go. Finish. Great. We do one more time. The other side. And go step. Make sure you make good both stance. And touch 1 and 2 and 3. And go. Hey, cross. Go cross. 1, two. Push pop, one, power, two, power, go, ha! And cross, one, two, and double, one, power, come back, up, and down, and finish. Yeah, great work. 20 counts, knee straight. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's take off. Let's do another stance. The resting stance. Okay? Push. Everybody, back straight. Chin up. Open your eye. Go ready. To the hand. No sneak. So you want you make your left leg cross to make good stance. And you go punch the left first and slow go down. Right. 1, 2. Keep your balance. And 5 seconds. And finish and stand up. Okay, great. So now, we punch the left, right? Now, we got to step your right, go back. You punch your right, and then you go down. Right? Good size. Keep your body straight. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stand up. Okay, now we're gonna do the same at the same time. I want you to go 1 and 2, like that. Okay? Right? So come back, do again. Ready? And go 1, 2, punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand up. And you same thing other side. Go punch and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stand up. Do the work. Stand up. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, your stances is very important, your form training. So let's do jump stance now. So twist. Ready. So you start your left and you make 1, your right, and come this way, and 2. And go jump stance, go low your hip, and then you transfer both sides. Left hand, blocking this way, and 2. And go straight, and go 1, and 2, and go. Go 1, 2, 3, now. Go 1, right, and left hand, 2, and go, and 1, and 2, and 3. One last time. Go 1, 2, and 3, and stand up. Great work. Thank you so much. Okay, 1 time. Touch your hips. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Great. Everybody, push. Back straight, chin up, stay focused. Ready? Put the hand right here. I want your right hand become palm open. At the same time, you become her hand and go push palm. Then you start your left and you try slow, go down, go down, go down. If you can, keep your body straight. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And stand up. We just do right side, another time, and you right one, right? Go 1, and go push palm, same palm like this. You start and go down. All the way, right? To the last side. 1, 3, good. 1. Lower right enough. 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Okay, very important at this time to nose. All the way behind. This is an empty, right? It's an empty. You gotta move. Let's do one more. Push. Ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Go down. All the way behind. Go low and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Alright, this time, right hand, touch your both knees. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start top, touch your toes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great work. Mountain climbing 30 times. Jayo. You can do it. Let's start stronger. Getting better. Let's go here. Jayo. 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 We're going to take training. We're going to training. And then we're going to take for bicep. It's really good for the bicep. Your knees hurt. Okay, good. Little relax. Okay. Hey, great work. One last time to put together. Do 5 stunts again. All together, right? So follow Nathan. And Nathan, can you move a little bit this way? Great. I want to stay focused, get good speed, power, and focus. Push. Back straight, chin up. Right. Go step 1, last. First dance. Power. Good. And go. Twist your toe. Twist the mirror. Go. Knee lift. Go forward. High again. Everybody try. And go down. Very nice. Perfect. And transfer to false stance and empty stance. 1, 2, and straight. Hold 5 seconds for me. Again. 1, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And finish. Great. Thank you, Leighton. Thank you, everyone.